Dear citizens of the world, we are anonymous. Let's get one thing perfectly clear to my subscribers and supporters. You may remember me as the one who starred in the movie V for Vendetta. A spectacular movie, simply superb. I am from a branch of Anonymous that successfully waged cyber war against the Galactic Empire, Dora the Explorer, the Muppets, and SpongeBob SquarePants. You may think I silenced these hacks because my Netflix subscription had expired, but that is far from the truth. In fact, Operation Nanny Nanny Poo Poo was the only thing they ever accomplished that we admired. We, the loyalists and veterans of Anonymous, have decided to revive this operation on a far larger scale. Dear smartphone junkie. Yes, that means you asshole. We have been watching you for a long time and what we see is deeply disturbing. You are constantly on your cell phone, without a clue about what is going on around you, and your lazy attitude has not only ruined the United States of America, but you have done nothing with your life that is worth even mentioning, because you are too busy playing Candy Crush all fucking day. You think your friends are not bothered by your behavior, but in reality, your friends will only put up with your shit, because you pick up a tab every now and again. Enough is enough. This is a call to arms, this is a call to the freedom fighters, to those ignored no longer, to no phone at the dinner table, to our fellow smartphone haters around the world. This is a call to protect our future, our freedom, and our sanity when we are stuck in an elevator with some prick who can't hang up the phone. This is a call to everyone who hates you. We need you to shut off the damn phone. We will ridicule and make fun of your social anxiety and insecurity until you do. We need you to dismantle that hands-free device in your car, because you still get distracted while talking to your mom on the highway. We are encouraging every able person who knows you to participate in this operation. You do not need to accept the rude behavior from this person any longer, and we hope that you support this important operation. If you are able to re-upload this video to your channel, you will help to give this operation the momentum it needs. Share this video. This is not a warning. This is a declaration of total war. Operation You're a Boring Fuck, engaged. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We will not forget. Expect us.